At the end of our Italy trip in 2023, we spent 2 nights at the Tuscany countryside. The restaurant's fully booked for today. It was truly a special experience. We stayed at a beautiful wine estate with over 300 years of history. It's got a huge olive tree here. We learned how to make authentic Italian pasta.
No water, no salt.
And also literally chased sunset to see the most beautiful Tuscany landscape. It was the perfect end to our trip. We just arrived at our accommodation in the Tuscany countryside. It's a bit rainy today, but still really beautiful. We're actually staying at a wine estate, and I'm gonna give you guys a little room tour. This is the living room, and this is the kitchen, and it's also got a really spacious balcony. It's got a huge olive tree here, which is so beautiful. And then going upstairs is our bedrooms. This is the first bedroom. The second bedroom looks very similar. Good morning, everyone. It's supposed to be raining the whole day today, so our plan is to just stay in. Me and Mom booked a cooking class at our villa. It's a 4-hour cooking class, and I'm excited. I think they're going to teach us how to make pasta, and we'll have a light lunch afterwards.好多 olives 啊！
对，这个 olive 让我明白那个我们球场上的那个程度，因为那个大小跟程度的大小。对。
Because you have time, so we prepare also ravioli together. Normally I prepare tagliatelle. Lunch is pasta with protein. Hill, the mountain. I open the hill Now I prepare 2 eggs. Okay. Now no water, no salt, no oil. Only this. Take the flour all around. Okay, now the pasta is ready. With small quantity of flour, you can wash the hand like this. This is ready. Want to try? The color is very green, banana, and now cheese. Flavor is a special.
So fun.
Right? This is fun.
A little, and I pass. Because I need other pasta. I prepare 2 eggs.
That looks like honey.
We had a lot of. I want this is the last period check. So I want this. Forse parecchiamo.
Yeah. How多面？
对，哎，你有细的，我们没有细的。
Family has always this sense of protecting the technical and modern approach to the main task of the Tuscany when we are on site.
Look at the hills. We just arrived in Siena. We're gonna go have lunch first and then explore the city. The restaurant's fully booked for today. I can't wait